Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to watch Demon Slayer on Netflix. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Demon Slayer is a popular anime series that are on Netflix. If you want to watch them, then first of all open the Netflix app on your device. Mostly the popular series and movies are in front of you at your homepage. But if you are unable to find them, then go to the search bar at the top. Type the name of series. Then you will see all the seasons and episodes that are on Netflix. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.